Welcome to YARY Tutorials. In this video, we are going to do the introduction part of exercise 1.2. In this video, we will be seeing what is a prime number, a composite number, and how to do factors and how to do the prime factorization of the numbers. First of all, what is a prime number? A prime number is a number which is divided by itself and 1. The number which can be divided by itself and 1. It means it should be exactly divided by the same number and 1. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, etc. are all prime numbers. Here, 2 can be exactly divided by the number 2 and 1. Exactly divided. What does that mean? This means that you will not be left with any remainder, or the quotient should not be in the decimal. So similarly, 13 can only be divided by 13 and 1. We don't have any other divisor other than itself 13 and 1 for this number. Hence, 13 is a prime number. Similarly, what is a composite number? Composite number are numbers which are divided by the numbers other than itself and 1. It means there can be any other divisors too. For example, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, etc. are all composite numbers. It means 4 can be divided by 2, 4 and 1. 10 can be divided by 2, 5, 10 and 1. Therefore, these numbers are called composite numbers. What about 1? 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. One is neither a prime number nor a composite number. What is a factor? What is a factor? As we saw in the previous slides, that 2 can be exactly divided by 2 and 1. It means the factors of 2 are 2 and 1. Similarly, the factors of 13 are 13 and 1. 13 and 1 are the factors of 13. So what about these two are prime numbers? 2 and 13 are prime numbers. So what about a composite number? So for a composite number, say 4, the factors are 1, 2 and 4 because 4 can be divided by 1, 2 and 4. So the factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. Similarly, the factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10. What is a prime factorization? The prime factorization of 2. These you will be doing a LCM and finding the prime factorization. The prime factorization of 2 you can see from here. So 2 ones are 2. As I said, 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. So we will be excluding this 1 and we will be writing only 2. So here this 2 is the prime factorization of 2. Similarly, for 4, for 4, 4, 4, 2 2s are 4 and again you will be doing LCM, 2 1s are 2. Therefore, the LCM of these two, 2 into 2 into 1 is the LCM of this. So, as we know 1 can be excluded because this is neither a prime number nor a composite number. So, you can exclude that. 2 square is the prime factorization of 4. Similarly, what are the prime factors of 24 and 15? The prime factors of 24 and 15 can be done like this. 2 12s are 24. Again, 12 can be divided by 2 to get 6. Again, the 6 can be divided by 2 to get 3. So, 2 into 2 into 2, which is 2 cube into 3 power 1. 2 to the power of 3 into 3 to the power of 1. This is the prime factorization of 24. Similarly, for 15, 15 cannot be exactly divided by 2. Therefore, we will be taking 3. It can be exactly divided by 3. So, we take it as 3. 3 fives are 15 and 5 ones are 5. So, the prime factors of 15 are 3 power 1 into 5 to the power of 1. So from here it is clear that any composite number 24 and 15 are composite numbers. So any composite number can be expressed in the form of prime number as a product of prime numbers. It is clear that any composite number can be expressed as the product of prime numbers. This is not form of, it should have product of prime numbers. So thank you for watching and do watch the introduction of part 2 video which I'll be uploading in a while. Do watch it and like, share and subscribe YARY Tutorials. Thank you.